Ever wondered how to test a product when time is very less? It's a common challenge in the world of software testing. We're diving into strategies that allow you to effectively test in a time crunch. Today, you'll learn how to streamline your testing process when time is not on your side. In a time crunch, a focused approach is your best ally. When testing time shrinks, it's crucial to prioritize, directing our efforts towards business-critical features first. By doing so, we ensure that the most vital aspects of the product function as they should, reducing the risk of major issues post-release. Next, consider the features that give more coverage in less time. These are typically core functionalities that interact with multiple components of the software. Testing these features can help identify and rectify errors that might ripple through the entire system, saving precious time and resources. So, as the clock ticks, remember to keep your testing approach sharp and targeted. Remember, when time is limited, prioritize critical features and those with wider coverage. Next, let's dive into some tricks to achieve more coverage in less time. A smart strategy is to prioritize the new or modified features. These areas are often prone to bugs and glitches and hence require your immediate attention. Next, focus on the features that have been impacted by these changes. Understanding the ripple effect of modifications can help you spot issues that might slip under the radar. Now, let's talk about the developers. If a feature has been developed by a new or error-prone developer, it might need extra scrutiny. The same goes for features developed using new technologies. These areas, being uncharted territories, may harbor unseen bugs. And remember, it's not just about finding bugs. It's about understanding the system, its strengths, its weaknesses, and how it reacts to different inputs and conditions. By focusing on these areas, you can maximize your testing coverage and efficiency. Part of efficient testing is knowing what not to do. When time is limited, excessive negative testing, ad hoc testing, and usability testing can be counterproductive. It's about prioritizing. Testing on every platform is exhaustive and time-consuming. In such scenarios, it's wise to focus on the most significant platform. It's like a chef in a busy kitchen. They don't have time to try every ingredient. They pick the best and get cooking. In a time crunch, it's vital to focus on the most important tasks and let go of the rest. Finally, remember that sometimes stretching yourself can make all the difference. When we find ourselves against the clock, it's our tenacity and commitment that can turn the tide. Don't be hesitant to put in those extra hours if required, because in the end, it's the quality of the product that matters. Testing under time constraints is challenging, but with a focused approach and smart strategies, it's definitely achievable. So when time is short, remember these strategies to streamline your testing process and ensure the highest quality product possible. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Prioritize testing business-critical features and those giving more coverage. Utilize tricks for maximum coverage and avoid non-essential activities. Be prepared to stretch your hours if needed. With these tips in your toolkit, you're ready to tackle any testing challenge, even when time is limited.